Hello students, again welcome back to my channel Exactity. I'm getting frequent requests to update the 12th August 2021 essay questions. I know that it's late. Usually we will do it before 10 days and all. But this time I was so busy with my online classes. That's why it becomes so late. Anyway, you can prepare with these essay questions based on the topic wise. And this video is for both academic and general module. Okay. So you both can prepare with this question and especially note that try to collect some points under each and every topic. Don't expect the same question like this. If this is for your practice purpose. Okay. So the first topic is children. Children are facing more pressures nowadays from academic, social, and commercial perspectives. What are the causes of these pressures? What measures should be taken to reduce this pressure? So, you need to write about the causes of this pressure, especially about this academic, social, and commercial perspective, and what are the solutions. So, it's coming under problem solution essay. So it's better to write the problem and solution in different body paragraph to avoid the repetition of ideas and all. So moving on to the second topic that's related to economy. Some people believe they should keep all the money they have earned and should not pay tax to the state. Do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under opinion type essay. That also one-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree with this point or you can disagree and try to give relevant reasons. Moving on to next topic that is child development. Some people believe that reading stories from a book is better than watching TV or playing computer games for children. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under opinion type essay only, but they asked like the form of to what extent, right? So you need to explain about the agreement side and also about the disagreement side. That means the importance of watching TV or playing computer games and also about the reading stories. Next one under globalization. Because of the global economy, many goods including what we use as daily basic produced by other countries have to be transported for a long distance. To what extent do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So it's coming under discussion type essay, but they asked like advantages outweigh the disadvantages. So you need to give more attention towards the advantages of this particular trend. So try to arrange the advantages in two different body paragraph and disadvantages in single body paragraph. That means in the third body paragraph. Next, about advertisement. People are surrounded by advertising, which has an increasing effect on our lives. Do you think the positive effects of this outweigh the negative effects? So, here also you need to give more attention towards the positive effect of advertising rather than negative effects. So, try to arrange the third body too. Next one about people and characteristics. Many people believe that today there is a general increase in antisocial behavior and lack of respect for others. What might have caused this situation? That means what all are the reasons? How to improve it? What all are the solutions? It's coming under problem solution. The next topic, work or job. Interviews form the basic selecting criteria for most large companies. However, some people think that interview is not a reliable method of choosing whom to employ and there are other better methods. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also it's balanced opinion type essay. So you can mention about the importance of interviews and try to mention about the other methods too. Okay, it's coming under to what extent. Next one about business. In some countries, fast food restaurants and supermarket give money to schools to promote their products. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? So either you can study it as a positive development or negative, or if you think it have both side means you can write like that too. Next one about environment. Environmental problems such as pollution and climatic variations are increasing nowadays. The government has taken some measures at a global level, but they got only few solutions. Why is it so? That means what all are the reasons and how can this problem be solved? What all are the solutions? Next one under education. Many people use distance learning programs to study at home, but some people think that it cannot bring the benefit as much as attending college or university directly. To what extent do you agree or disagree? It's also coming under to what extent. Better to write about the both the side. That means about online education and also traditional classroom program. Next one about government role. Government need to spend money to encourage the development of sports and arts for school children rather than to support professional sports and art events. Do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under one-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or you can disagree. Next one, news and newspapers. Newspapers have influenced people's ideas and opinions. What are the reasons for this? Is it a positive or negative development? So it's coming under two-part essay. You need to answer for both the part of the question in different body paragraph with relevant examples and explanation. Next one, under consumerism, people are encouraged to get rid of things in order to get the newest fashion and the latest technology. Do the disadvantages of a throwaway society outweigh the economic advantages? So here you need to give more attention towards the disadvantages of this throwaway society in two different body paragraph and advantages, economic advantages in third body paragraph. So the next topic, transportation. Some people believe that air travel should be restricted because it causes serious pollution and uses up the world's fuel resources. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also better to write about the agreement and also about to the disagreement side. Always try to collect some points related to this natural resources and all. Next one, related to arts. Some people say that every human beings can create art. Others believe only people born with the ability can create art. That means inborn ability. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. You can discuss both the side in two different body paragraph and try to arrange your opinion in third body. Next one, about information technologies. Students today can access information online, so libraries are not necessary. To what extent do you agree or disagree? The same question you can expect in any form. So it's in to what extent form. So you need to write about the importance of libraries and also about the internet sources. Next one, old versus young. In some culture, the old age is more valued, while in some culture, the youth is more valued. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So you want to discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. Next one, under animals. Animals are in danger of extinction. Some people say that we should protect only those animals which are useful to humans. That means domestic animals or farm animals. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree. If you think that we need to protect wild animals too, means you can disagree with the statement. Next one, about food. The food travels thousands of miles from farm to consumers. Some people think it would be better to our environment and economy if people only ate locally produced food. To what extent do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So here also you need to give more attention towards the advantages of this particular trend. Next one, about natural resources. The natural resources such as oil, forest and fresh water are being consumed at an alarming rate. So what problems does it cause? How can we solve this problem? It's coming under problem solution essay. You need to discuss about the problems and also the solutions. Next one, about travel or related to transportation. People have to spend more and more time to travel from their homes for jobs and study. What are the reasons and how we can solve the problem? So here also coming under problem solution essay, you need to explain what are the reasons behind this long time commuting time and all. Then about the solutions. Next one, traditions. Many people think young people should follow traditions. Others argue that young people should be free to be individuals. They can follow what all things they want. Discuss both views. You want to discuss both the side. Sometimes they will ask along with the opinion too. Next one, about communication medias. Some people say that in our modern age, it is unnecessary to teach children about the skills of handwriting. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you can write about the importance of handwriting and also about the other communication sources, mediums. Okay, about the computer typing and all. Next one, under youngsters, it is suggested that all young adults should undertake a period of unpaid work helping people in the community. Does it bring more benefits or drawback to the youngsters? If they are doing like that, whether it is beneficial for them or it have more drawbacks, means you can write like that too. So in the same question they will ask for a year gap between the secondary school and tertiary school, like that also. Next one, under mobile phones. There are social, medical and technical problems associated with the use of mobile phones. What forms do they take? Do you agree that the problems outweigh the benefits of mobile phones? So here also it's coming under two-part essay. So you need to answer for both the part of the question. Next one, under food and health. Some people think that government should subsidize fruits and vegetables to make healthy food cheaper. Others argue that more tax should be set on unhealthy food. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Discussion with opinion type essay. Next one, urbanization. Some people think that it is more important to plant trees in open areas of towns and cities than to build more housing. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to explain the importance of planting trees and also about this housing and buildings, because it's coming under to what extent type. Next one, under crimes. In recent years, the number of crimes committed by teenagers in major cities throughout the world is increasing. Discuss this issue and suggest some solution. You need to discuss the issue. That means what all are the reasons behind this and try to suggest some solutions to you. Next one, under world issues. As transport and accommodation problems are increasing in many cities, some governments are encouraging businesses to move to rural areas. Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So here you need to give more attention towards the advantages of this migration of business, okay, rather than the disadvantages. Next one, under charities or aid. Some people think that charity organizations should only offer help to people of their own country, but others believe that this organization should give aid to people in great need wherever they live. Discuss both views and give your opinion. You need to discuss about both the side. That means the people who are helping their own country's people and the country which giving international aid, both the side, and try to give your opinion. Next one, about tourism. Most countries believe that international tourism has harmful effects. Why do they think so? How to change their views? So, what all are the problems? And try to suggest some solutions. Next one, under entertainment. All over the world, people watch foreign films much more than locally produced films. Why? What all are the reasons? Should government provide financial support to local film industries? So whether the government want to provide the financial support for local film industry. So it's coming under two-part essay, so you need to answer for both the part of the question. Next one, under medias. The number of TV programs is growing day by day. Some people say that it is good as it gives people more choices, while others say it affects the quality of TV programs. Discuss both views and give your opinion. You need to discuss both the parties' views and try to give your own opinion in third body. Next one, about overpopulation. It's coming under world issues. Figures show that some countries have an ever increasing proportion of the population who are aged 15 or younger. So, what do you think are the current and future effect of this trend for those countries? So, it's coming under direct question. You need to discuss about the current effects and also about the future effect of this particular overpopulation. So, next one, under family and economy. In some countries, more and more adults are living with their parents after graduating from college, university, or even after finding a job. Do the advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages? So, here also you need to discuss about the advantages more rather than the disadvantages of this particular trend. So you can just mention about the economical benefits and also about this family attachment and togetherness. Okay, next one, under history. Some people think history has nothing or little to tell us, but others think that studying the past history can help us better understand the present. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So some of the people thought that history has no any effect on our life. So you need to discuss about both the side and try to give your opinion. Next, under sports and games. Some people think sports and games are important for society, while others believe they should be taken as leisure activities. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So in the first body paragraph, you need to discuss about the cultural, professional, and the traditional importance of this and all. Then second, as a leisure activity, and try to give your opinion too. So next one, under work and life balance. Nowadays many families have both parents working. Some working parents believe other family members like grandparents can take care of their children, while others think child care centers provide the best care. Discuss both views and give your opinion. You need to write about both the views about the family taking care and also second body about the child daycare and try to give your opinion. Next one, under world issues. Today the life expectancy of people is much higher than before. Some people think that older people should continue to be involved in the workforce. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also coming under balanced opinion type essay. Next one, under science and technologies. Due to development in science and technology, lifestyle of people across the world are becoming more and more similar to each other. Do you think it is a positive or negative development? That means this similarities is a positive or negative development. So you can be in one side or you can write in balanced way. Next one, under environment. Most countries do not recycle their waste like paper, glass, aluminium cans and all. Why does this happen? What steps can be taken to encourage recycling? So it's coming under problem solution essay. You need to discuss the reasons and also the solution. Next one, under culture and history. In many countries, mainly tourists but not local people visit museums and historical sites. Why does this happen and what can be done to attract more local people to visit these places? So it's also problem solution. I say what all are the reasons and what we can do to attract more local people. Next one, under remote tourism. It is now possible for scientists and tourists to travel to remote natural areas such as the South Pole. Do you think advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So here also you need to give more attention towards the advantages. Next one, under health and exercises. Health experts believe that walking is a good exercise for health. However, people are walking less nowadays. Why is this happening? How can people be encouraged to walk more? Again, problem solution essay. What are the reasons, and try to suggest some solution how we can encourage them to work more. Next one, under government and economy or the funding. Some people think that the government should invest more money in teaching science than other subjects to make progress. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree, and try to give relevant reasons along with the explanation. Next one, under music or the leisure time activities. So any type of leisure time activities they can ask for. Okay, some people think music plays an important role in society, others think it is simply a form of entertainment. Discuss both the view and try to give your opinion. Third body is necessary in case of discussion with opinion type essay, as I told you before. Next one, under internet. More and more people are using the internet to do their task rather than doing in person, like banking, transferring, and all. Do the advantages of this trend outweigh the disadvantages? So here also you need to give more attention towards the advantage of this usage of this internet rather than the disadvantages. Next one, under building and housing. In some cities there are few controls on the design, construction of homes, office buildings, and the owners can decide on the style of their houses. Do the advantages of this outweigh this drawback? So here also give more attention towards the advantages of this particular trend. They can choose their own style, their own type of building and all. So next one, information technologies. More and more people are using computers and other electronic devices to access information. So printing of books, magazines, and newspapers should not be done. Do you agree or disagree with this? So here also try to mention about the importance of electronic gadgets and also about the printed medias, because it's coming under balanced opinion type essay. Next one, under work or related to job. Some people say that no one should do the same job forever, while others believe that doing the same job is beneficial for the individual, company, and society. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So you need to discuss both the side and try to give your opinion. Next one, under overseas education, or they can ask about overseas work. In some countries, university students live far away from home in another country while studying. Do you think the disadvantages outweigh the advantages of living in another country? So try to give more attention towards the disadvantages. Next one, under shopping, or they can ask about online shopping. People's shopping habits depend more on the age group they belongs to than other factors. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So you can write about the influence of age factor and try to mention about the other factors in second body paragraph. Next one, about the men versus women. In many countries, women are able to join the armed forces such as men. Some people say that only men should be members of the army, navy, or air force. Do you agree or disagree? The same question you can expect under to what extent to you. So you need to write accordingly. Here it's one-sided opinion essay. Next one, under crimes and medias. Medias and newspapers show vulgar crimes on news which cause fear and provoke culprit. Some people think that crime news on TV should not be broadcasted. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So why we need to broadcast the crime, and what are the reasons to prohibit the broadcasting? So you need to write about both the side, agreement and disagreement side. Next one, under celebrities and role models. Nowadays, young people are admiring media and sports stars even though they do not set a good example. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? You can be in one side, or if you think it have positive and negative side means you can write like that too. Okay, so that's completely based on your points. Next one, under materialism. It has been suggested that everyone in the world wants to own a car, a TV, and fridge. Do you think the disadvantages of such a development outweigh the advantages? So what are the disadvantages of this type of material possession or materialism? You need to concentrate more on that and try to write the advantages. That means how it affected our national economy and all in the third body paragraph. Next one, about the government role. Some people think that the government should pay for healthcare and education, but other people claim that it is the individual's responsibility. Each one want to pay for their own Educational needs and healthcare. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Try to discuss both the side and try to give your opinion in third body paragraph. Next one about the leisure activities. Some people say that parents should organize free time activities for their children. Others say children should be free to choose what they do in their free time. Discuss both side and try to opine. So you need to discuss both the side and try to give your opinion in third body. Next one about the advancement in technology. In some cities, people are choosing cars instead of bicycle, while in other cities riding bikes is replacing cars. Why is this the case? What are the reasons? And which development do you think is better? So which one is better? So it's coming under two-part essay. You need to answer for both the part of the question. So two-part essay means it's better to write in two different body paragraph. Third body paragraph is completely based on your points. Next one under university education. Some people believe that everyone has a right to university education. Therefore, government should make university education free for everyone, no matter what their financial background is. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So you need to discuss about the agreement and also about the disagreement side. And the last topic is languages. People believe that not all school children have the natural ability to learn a new language. This means it is not right to force all school children to study a foreign language at a primary or secondary school. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree. The language is very much important means you can agree and try to give your points. So try to collect some points under each and every topic. So as a whole, try to concentrate more on education, environment, technologies, medias, transportation, government role, food and health, and about the leisure activity that may be related to sports, games, music, art and all. So all the very best and do well.